Hello and welcome to the weekly manifesting report for November 29th through December 5th, 2021. My name is Rachel Avalon. I'm a spiritual coach, an angel channel, and angel healer. I work closely with the angels to help spiritual women to manifest the freedom, the success, and the abundance that they know they were born for. So in these messages this week, I'm going to give you an overview for what the energy is like that the angels have channeled to me. And then also we're going to get into numbers 1, 2, and 3. So you can go ahead and choose numbers 1, 2, and 3, the numbers you're most drawn to, and let me know what you chose below. This new moon eclipse coming up on December 4th is huge for manifesting your goals. New opportunities are coming through, new perspectives, new insights. We are officially in eclipse season. We had a full moon eclipse recently, and this new moon eclipse is coming up. Eclipses always come in at least groups of 2. And eclipse season is a time when we are really being called to dig deep, to release the things that no longer serve us, the things that are holding us back, that are weighing us down in our energy field, deep within our energy field. They're not always conscious things. So there's a lot of emotions coming up. There's a lot of past life stuff. There's a lot of karmic stuff, a lot of releasing and healing going on. So be gentle with yourself as much as you can during this time. You might be feeling called to surrender, to let go beyond what your ego really wants to let go of. The universe is pushing us at this time to really let go more than we've ever let go before. And that is actually to help us to up level, to manifest the things that we truly desire, that are truly aligned with our soul purpose. Now, this might feel uncomfortable and challenging at times, but just know that ultimately it is helping you to accelerate your path of soul growth, of achieving your soul purpose, of fully stepping into your power, of accessing your infinite potential at this time. And that is exactly what the angels are here to help us to do. So if you want help with manifesting on this new moon eclipse, you can check out my free guide, which gives information and guidance on how to work with the moon and the angels together to up level your manifesting. And I also have an amazing opportunity that I'm so excited to bring to you guys. For those of you who want to delve deeper into working with the angels to manifest your goals, to accelerate your manifestation, I am launching a new program called Quantum Manifestation. It is a 6-week program for spiritual women, ambitious spiritual women who are so done with feeling held back and who are ready to step into their next level, to call in the success and the freedom and the abundance and the impact that you know you were meant for. I'm going to teach you how to work with the angels, my system of manifestation that I have used with the angels that they have channeled to me, which angels to call upon for which type of goal you want to manifest, how to work with them, and the actual manifestation techniques and rituals that you can use to accelerate your path. This is what I have used to create so many big dreams and goals in my life. Working with the angels is a total game changer. So if you want in on that, I'm offering that at 75% off all through this week. We start the program in January, but you can get in on it now. This is the lowest price it's ever going to be. So the link is below. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below or send me a message and I'll be happy to answer your questions. So now let's get into numbers 1, 2, and 3. If you chose number 1, this message is all about releasing the old and opening up to new amazing opportunities. And this message comes to you from Archangel Gabriel. And what he is talking about specifically is releasing the things that have been holding you back, that have been weighing on you, that have been stopping you from fully expressing your truth, expressing yourself unapologetically, allowing your true expression to come through. And this might be something subtle that you've been feeling in the background, or it might be something that's more intense that you've been noticing and that has been bubbling up for you, where you're feeling that there's another layer to your expression that needs to come out, whether this is to do with your feelings, whether it's to do with your values, expressing your values, your feelings, or your creativity, like fully letting your true creative expression come out with your, maybe it's your spiritual and intuitive gifts that need to come out on a deeper level. Maybe it's something that you need to communicate with a family member. Maybe it's something to do, in your business or in your career. There is some aspect here of helping you to up level so that you can express your truth on a deeper level. And Archangel Gabriel is guiding you and helping you with this. He's helping you to feel confident in doing this. He's helping you to let go of whatever that is that has been holding you back. So you can call upon him at this time. He's letting you know that the new moon is a powerful time for you to step into this new level of expressing yourself, of breaking free, of feeling freer than you've ever felt before, to totally be you and to feel good and to feel confident in doing that. And he's letting you know that this is going to bring you new levels of abundance. So amazing new opportunities are coming your way through breaking free from whatever has been holding you back, through having the courage to express yourself on this deeper level, on this wider scale, on opening up your heart to express this truth that needs to come out at this time. This is coming up for you now, and this is what's going to catapult you to that next level of abundance and freedom and success and fulfillment and all the things that your heart desires. If you chose number 2, this message is all about making connections and connecting with other people. And this message comes to you from Archangel Jophiel. She is helping you at this time to feel more confident, to have more energy and enthusiasm and inspiration, to make more connections, to widen your networks at this time. And this is in all areas of your life, but especially the area of your life where you are seeking to get to that next level. So whether that's in business and you need to start getting on more podcasts, networking with other entrepreneurs to publicize your work more, whether that's in your job or your career where you need to go to more networking events and connect with more people, whether that's with dating and going on more dates, going to more parties, meeting more people, whether that's just making more of an effort with your family and friends so that you're not feeling as isolated and you're feeling more supported in that way. All of these connections that you're going to be making, that she's helping you to make, are going to help accelerate your path to manifesting your goals. Call upon Archangel Jophiel. She's going to get you in that festive mood. She's going to get you in that vibe of wanting to socialize, of wanting to be more connected. And she's going to show you who you need to reach out to and who you need to connect with. And she's also going to make you more magnetic so that people are actually reaching out to you, so you don't have to do all of the work. And you can work with her, especially during this new moon she's talking about this week, the energy building up to that, that's going to create these powerful new opportunities for connections and that are going to accelerate your goals and dreams. If you chose number 3, this is all about newfound awakening and insight. And this is coming to you from Archangel Uriel. Archangel Uriel this week is letting you know that you're going to have some profound new information and answers coming through to help you have the clarity you have been seeking about the goals and dreams that you are working with. So if there's a particular situation or project or issue that has been bugging you or that you've been feeling confused about, stuck about, not sure which steps to take next, this is your time to work with Archangel Uriel this week, especially leading up to this new moon. Ask him to show you the answers and the insight and the information that you need to help you to move forward. He's going to help you to have the clarity you need. He's going to help you to have the confidence you need to understand how the pieces of the puzzle are going to come together. You might not be shown the entire picture yet, but he's letting you know that new information is coming through, and that's going to give you the key next piece of that puzzle to make that next step, to move things forward. He's letting you know that it can come through in many ways. Pay attention to your dreams. Pay attention to signs that you've been seeing, angel numbers and things like that. Maybe you've seen butterflies, maybe you're seeing feathers on your path, maybe you're seeing coins. Pay attention to the signs that you've been receiving. Pay attention to those moments of insight, of inspiration that light you up, that excitement feeling of something that you're drawn to. But make sure that you are working with Archangel Uriel, asking him to show you these answers, because things are coming through this week that are so important for you to understand, to help you to move forward. He's letting you know that the momentum is picking up, even if you can't feel it right away. For some of you, it's going to come through more clearly as these like flashes of inspiration, of light bulb moments of clarity. And for others of you, it's going to happen more subtly through the week, that all of a sudden it's almost like going to creep up on you and you're going to say, I know what to do next. I understand now. So just be open to the various ways that this information and this guidance is going to come through to you. So those are the messages for this week. Make sure to let me know which numbers you chose below and how the messages resonate with you. I always love hearing from you guys. And don't forget to check out the free guide on manifesting with the angels and the moon. And for those of you who want to delve deeper into working with the angels to manifest your goals and dreams, make sure to check out the Quantum Manifestation 6-week program. It's 75% off all this week. That link is below as well. Have an amazing week. Wishing you so many blessings for this new moon eclipse, and I'll see you guys back here next week.